Hello everyone, today I will show you a new screenshot virus for iPhone. And here's how it's done. To protect yourself, open your iPhone settings, scroll down to privacy and security, then tap photos. Review the list of apps with photo access. If an app doesn't need access or looks suspicious, change its permission to none. Next, go back to the main settings menu. Tap General, then Software Update. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS, as Apple has released security updates to address this issue. Lastly, open the App Store, tap your profile icon in the top right, and pull down to refresh your app updates. Tap Update All to make sure every app is running the most secure version. And that is everything you need to know about the new screenshot virus for iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.